Okay, so we will take a look at how you can generate child theme for Astra theme. So we're going to check official Astra website. Okay, so to find where to generate the child theme, we have to look for that option within documents. So basically we go to knowledge base. Okay, now here you have to search for answers, type in child theme. Okay, so basically you have to check for question something like how to add code without editing theme files, and you can also check for links for child theme there. Okay, often what happens is that those links are randomly scattered. Okay, so what is child theme, how to install it for Astra? Okay, so here you'll find this link. Okay, you can right click and open in new tab. It looks something like this. Okay, so basically it will ask you for child theme name. Let's see, my Astra. Let's have it as version 1.1. Let's have my name, then I have this as my URL. Then let's see, child theme of Astra. Okay, that's the description. You can also change the name as my Astra, and you can have screenshot and then simply click on generate. Then it will, okay, so it asks me to give proper URI, so I have to add HTTP here. So it's pretty much asking me to correct those errors. And after that simply click on generate, and it will generate child theme. You can click on open file and we'll see the list of the files in this Astra child theme. Okay, you have style, then screenshot, then functions. Okay, these are the enough files for you to generate the child theme. Okay, so this was small demo on how to generate child theme for Astra theme.